Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to cilinixfxcapital. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great start of this weekend. And welcome to a new video, an update on Arkm, the new Binance Launchpad project that launched, when was it? Was it last week? Yeah, last week Tuesday, so it's a very new project. Only covered it once because there's not that much hype around the project. I didn't want to cover it today because what we've seen over the last day is that the volume, even though the price has stayed relatively the same, the volume is actually, rallying quite a bit. Like it was around yesterday in the morning, it was around 38 million. And since then it has gone up to 62 million. So that's a significant increase. And apart from that, if we take a look at the price, I'll show you right here, you can also see an interesting market structure forming, right? So you can see that we kind of have a formation like this. So somewhat of a triangle formation. And apart from that, what you could also argue is that, if you really zoom in and if you want to see it, you can see some sort of an Elliott wave structure right here, and that perhaps we are now in some sort of a correction wave, and that we can actually continue with another impulse wave up towards 70 and 72 cents, and that we can therefore actually get some bullish momentum. So that's what we'll talk about in this video. I think it's going to be quite interesting. I think there are going to be quite a lot of good opportunities to trade Arkm as well somewhere in the future. I wouldn't necessarily say right now is that ideal moment, but yeah, I mean, we'll talk about that. All right, we'll just do a full overview of Arkm, and perhaps there are some good trades in the middle of that. But for now, I do want to say that I'm a full-time profitable trader and I have my own Signals group. If you want to join that, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment, or go to cilinix.com and there you can find out more information if you want to become a better trader and also receive some profitable trades. So now onto Arkm. So like I said, I mean, this market structure right here, it actually does make sense, all right? Because you can actually see that I also said that volume kicked in around this point of time. So you need volume to have some sort of a trending market structure, and I am proposing right now that we do have a trending market structure. The thing is that if you assume that this is the truth, right? So if you would assume that we just had an ABC correction down towards 61 cents, and that right now we are in the middle of another impulse wave. Well, that's all great, but what we would then need to see as confirmation is that right now we're probably in that second small impulse wave, down to this support level right here. So there you have the trend line and you have some sort of a key level around 62 cents. But what we would need to see in the next couple of hours is a third move. So that would preferably break us above 66 cents. Preferably. I think we need to do that, all right? Because the third wave needs to be quite big. So that's the main thing we're looking for. Like we'll find, I'm pretty convinced that we will find support at 62 cents. But from there, we would need to break above 65 cents. Otherwise, we're not trending enough. Otherwise, there's not enough bullish momentum, I would say. And then it's more likely that we'll just find resistance at 66 and 65 cents. And then at some point of time, break through 62 cents. And 62 cents right now is the only support that's holding us up. Or basically the only thing that is between Arkm and not being bullish anymore. All right, so if 62 breaks, then we'll just drop back down towards this level around 58 and 56 cents with a potential of dropping down even lower. So that's the main thing to look out for. I think we got a decent chance to actually continue that and break above 66 cents. And then after that, probably get a fifth wave up to 71 and 72 cents. All right, so just for illustration's sake, that would be something like this. All right. So something like this, a scenario like this, it's a possibility, but right now we have to wait for validation first, all right? So we're at 62 cents, that's our main support. Can we, in the next 6 or 8 hours, break above 65 and 66 cents? Great, we have validated this Elliott wave structure and we can continue going up to 71 and 72 cents. If not, it's more likely that we'll get a bit of a pullback and that will consolidate again. So that's my full take on Arkm. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.